Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a ribbing. This is a term that is referred to a fabric that is common at a collar or at the cuff of a sleeve or the cuff of a mitten or the top of your socks. This is a stretchy fabric that consists of a sequence of knits and purls that are repeated for a certain number of rows or rounds to create this effect. For the sake of this tutorial, we will knit this flat, but commonly this will be knit in the round. Alright, let's get started. Pick up your working needle and stitches in your left hand, your empty needle in your right hand. Sometimes a ribbing will be 1 by 1, which means knit 1, purl 1, and repeat to the end of the round or the row. It might be 2 by 1, which is knit 2, purl 1, or 3 by 1, which is knit 3, purl 1. Of course, this could be any sort of sequence, but those are the three most common. For the sake of this video, let's do a knit 1, purl 1, 1 by 1 rib. So we knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Now, if you were working in the round, you would continue this sequence, knit 1, purl 1, for the number of rows designated in your pattern. You might think that would be different when you're knitting flat. It's not. We will knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. This is because we want our bumps to all be the same in that column. Let me show. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Let's work a few more rows so we can get an idea of what this is supposed to look like. There we go. We have a simple knit 1, purl 1, or 1 by 1 ribbing. You will see that this creates a series of columns. One column will have the stitch look of the knit stitches, and the next column will have the bumps of purl stitches, and so on and so forth. As you can see, you can scrunch this up so it's a denser fabric, or it is very elastic so it can stretch out. That is why this ribbing effect is ideal for places like a cuff of a sock or a sleeve that you want to be able to stretch over your arm or your foot, but you want to fit snugly around your wrist or your ankle. Now you know how to perform a ribbing effect. If you are interested in more Snickerdoodle Knits knitting tutorials, you can like and subscribe this video, hit the notification bell, and go check out other knitting tutorial videos that we have on our YouTube channel. Happy knitting!